Hello children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, quadrilaterals topic we are going to continue. Let's solve some previous Olympiad questions children based on this chapter. So level 1, first question. So which of these is a regular quadrilateral? Rhombus, square, trapezium, kite. And the correct answer is rhombus children. Because a regular quadrilateral means all the sides to be equal. All the sides to be equal. All the sides to be equal. That is one thing. So if in the parallelogram, if all the sides are equal, then it will be called as a rhombus. In the rhombus, again, if the diagonals bisect each other at perpendicularly, then it will be a square. But only sides are equal. They have mentioned that it's a regular quadrilateral. Means only sides are equal. So from rhombus and square, the best option is rhombus. In a single correct answer type questions, we have to always choose for best option children. So actually in square also all sides are equal, but along with the all sides are equal, square will be having some additional properties. So that's why we are going with the option rhombus. Rhombus is the correct answer. Next, consider the following properties of a quadrilateral. Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides should be parallel. And diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Opposite angles are equal. So, these all properties are obeyed by square. In square, opposites are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So correct answer is square. Next, which of the following statements describe the properties of a kite? Describe the properties of a kite. So diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are of equal length. All sides are equal. One pair of opposite angles is congruent. One pair of opposite angles is congruent. So which of the following is a property of kite? And the correct answer is A and D children. So here, so this is the kite. So this is the kite. Sorry. Kite. So kite, in the kite, so diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals will always be perpendicular and one pair of opposite angles. Only one pair of opposite angles are congruent. So answer A and D only. So 1 and 4 only. 1 and 4 only. So all sides are equal, wrong. Diagonals having equal length, wrong. Next one. Consider the following properties of quadrilateral. All four sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. All four angles are right angles. Then this will be obeyed by square. Because in square all four sides are equal. All four angles are right angles. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So answer option A, square. Next, which of the following statements describes the properties of a rectangle? Properties of a rectangle. So diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are of equal length. Adjacent sides are of unequal length. all four angles are right angles. So properties of rectangle they are asking. So diagonals bisect each other, diagonals equal length, adjacent sides of unequal length, all four angles are right angles. So yes, all are correct because diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals length will be equal. So diagonals length will be equal. Adjacent sides length will be different, breadth will be different. Unequal length they will be having. All four angles are right angles. So answer option D, A, B, C, D. Next, consider the following properties of a quadrilateral. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Answer is parallelogram. Answer is parallelogram. So opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Along with that, if they have mentioned, if the angle is 90 degrees, then it may be a rectangle. But they have not mentioned the angle. So that's why it's only a parallelogram. If angle also mentioned, then it will be a rectangle. Next, Mayank claims that square is a special kind of rectangle. Is Mayank correct? Why or why not? Why or why not? So yes, Mayank is correct because in square all four angles are right angles and all sides of a square are equal. But for rectangle, only opposite sides are equal, it will be a rectangle. But in square, all sides are equal means indirectly we can tell opposite sides are equal. So it is having indirectly it is having all the properties of a rectangle. So it's a special kind of rectangle. It's a special kind of rectangle. So option C is correct. Next, a simple closed figure bounded by four line segments is called a quadrilateral. Is called a quadrilateral. Next one, in a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D, how much? The sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is always 360 degrees. Or instead of quadrilateral, any polygon they can give, if it has n number of sides, then the formula is n minus 2 into 180 degrees for sum of interior angles. Here quadrilateral means four sides. 4 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180, 360 degrees. So answer option A. Next, a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So it will be a trapezium because in trapezium only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. This AB and CD are parallel. They are not equal, but AB and CD are parallel. So trapezium is the correct answer. The sides BA and DC of a quadrilateral ABCD are produced as shown in the figure given below. According to this figure, they have given some angles, they have extended some sides. Then x plus y equal to how much? So here side AB is extended, angle B exterior angle, side DC extended, angle A exterior angle. Two exterior angles are formed at the extension parts. Now they are asking the value of x plus y in terms of AB. Here it's a here this one. So just it's a quadrilateral ABCD. It's a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. So this is a linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair. So this part will be 180 minus B. This part will be 180 minus B, and this 180 minus B plus Y plus Y. In quadrilateral, the adjacent angles are supplementary. This part is 180 minus B, and these two parts 180 minus B plus Y equal to 180 degrees, because adjacent angles are supplementary. So 180 cancel, minus B will come this side, Y equal to B. So here also x will become equals to A. So x equals to A, Y equals to B. So x plus Y will become A plus B. So answer option A. Next, the measure of the angles of a quadrilateral ABCD are respectively in the ratio 1:2:3:4. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Let it be 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Then sum of all the angles is x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to the sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. X plus 2x, 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 4x, 10x. 10x equal to 360. So x equal to 36 degrees. One angle is 36 degrees, another angle is 72 degrees, another angle is 108 degrees, another angle is 144 degrees. So, as all the angles are different, all the sides will be having different length, and no angle is 90 degrees. So, there is no possibility of sides equal or sides parallel. As 4 angles are different, there is no possibility of equality or there is no possibility of parallel lines. So answer, none of these. D option is correct. Next slide. So the bisectors of angles of a parallelogram enclose a rhombus, rectangle, square, parallelogram. So here children, the bisectors of angles. The bisectors of angles of a parallelogram enclose a dash. We have to find. So if this is the angle A, if this is angle B, this is angle C, this is angle D. The line which is making angle A into two parts, the line which is making angle D into two parts, the line which is making angle R into two parts, the line which is making angle B into two parts are called bisectors. If we draw 4 bisectors for 4 angles, they will meet at the middle or they will form a shape. They will form a geometrical figure at the middle. We have to find it is what kind of geometrical figure. It is what kind of geometrical figure that we have to find. So that we have to find, children. So here, suppose this is, suppose this x. This is divided into 2 equal parts, x. This is divided into 2 equal parts, y. So here the sum of adjacent angles in a parallelogram will be 180 degrees. So x plus x, 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y equals to 180 degrees, or 2 common x plus y equals to 180 degrees, or x plus y equal to 180 by 2, which is 90 degrees. So this y, this x plus y equal to 90 degrees in this triangle, in this APD triangle. In this APD triangle, x plus y equal to 90 degrees. But sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180. If these two are equal to 90 degrees, So then this will be a right angle. This will be equal to 90 degrees. In the same way, this angle also will be 90 degrees. So we will get this angle 90 and this angle 90. But at same point, if this angle is 90, vertically opposite, this angle will be 90. If this angle is 90, vertically opposite, this angle will be 90. In the smaller triangle, in this quadrilateral, this angle 90, this angle 90. But adjacent angles are supplementary. Means if this is 90, the adjacent angle also to be 90, so that sum is 180. So this will be 90, above angle will be 90. All angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. So it will be a rectangle. It will be a rectangle. So all angles are right angles. So it will be a rectangle. And one more thing, it's a parallelogram. So here it's a parallelogram. So opposite sides will be equal. The opposite sides will be equal because we have taken this structure in a parallelogram. Opposite sides will be equal. All angles are 90 degrees. So it will be a rectangle. Next one. In a quadrilateral ABCD, angle B equal to 90 degrees. Then AD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square. Then angle ACD how much? In a quadrilateral ABCD, they have given angle B 90 degrees. Then angle ACD, this angle ACD how much? This part how much they are asking? This part how much? They have given AD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square. So they have given AB square equal to, they have given AD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square. So AD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square. But AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. But this AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Why? Because this is right angle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, in the place of AB square plus BC square, we can take AC square. So AC square plus CD square. So AD square. So now we have, let's draw with another color. Now we have AD square. AD square equal to AC square plus CD square. AC square plus CD square. So this one side square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Means this also will be a right angle triangle. This also, actually it may be like this because AD value will be bigger. AD value will be somewhat bigger length because it is equal to sum of squares of these two. Its length will be somewhat bigger. AD square equal to AC square plus CD square means AD will act as hypotenuse. So hypotenuse opposite, we have angle C, which is ACD. That will be 90 degrees because it is following Pythagoras theorem. So the triangle will be right angle triangle. So which angle will be 90 degrees? Angle opposite to the hypotenuse will be 90 degrees. So ACD value is 90 degrees. So option A is correct. Next one. So ABCD is a rhombus whose one angle is 60 degrees. The ratio of length of its diagonal is how much? So in a rhombus, if one angle is 60 degrees, then ratio of lengths of diagonals how much? So let's try to solve, children. This ABCD rhombus. ABCD rhombus. These are the diagonals. This is one angle. Total angle is 60 degrees. But diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. So this will become 30-30. This will become 30-30. So this will be bisected 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So now if you take this triangle, so we can take tan 30 in trigonometry. Tan theta means tan theta, it's a ratio of, suppose if this is theta, it's a ratio of side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta. Side adjacent to theta. Opposite to theta we have OD. Adjacent to theta we have OA. OD by OA. Because 90 degrees opposite, this will be hypotenuse. So one side acts as opposite side, another side acts as adjacent side. In trigonometry, we have a formula. If you take tan 30, 30 degrees opposite side, OD, 30 degrees adjacent side, OA. This angle O 90 degrees, O opposite, AD will be the hypotenuse. So according to trigonometry, tan 30 value OD by OA, but tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So OD by OA equal to 1 by root 3. Or if you make it double, if you multiply and divide with 2 OD by 2 OA, right side also with 2 by 2. 2 by 2 we have to multiply. Then 2 OD, double than OD is called BD, because here diagonals are bisected. Double than OD, OB are equal. Double than OD equal to BD. Sorry, children, this is double than OD. Double than OD equal to BD, children. BD by double than OA. OA double, it's equal to AC. BD by AC equal to 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Or this diagonals are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 or root 3 is to 1. Which diagonal first they have not mentioned. They have just asked diagonals ratio. We can write root 3 is to 1. If there is option 1 is to root 3, that also might be the correct answer. So, okay, children. So, remaining questions we can learn in our next video, children. So, thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can visit our website for other information regarding previous online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding classes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.